Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening another makeup box. It's been a while, but this one is called the Babebox. So this one costs $29 a month, and you're supposed to get 4 to 5 full-size products, and you're supposed to get $100 value out of them. And like their thing is that they're cruelty free, which is nice because I'm vegan. I'm all for the animals, all for cruelty free kind of stuff. So here's the box, a little black box, so cute. All the items included with your Babebox are 100% cruelty free. We love that. Okay, everything's gonna tell me the prices on here. It's in this cute little box. It's all packaged up all nice. The first thing is this lip kit by Basic Beauty gel liner and lip gloss. Let's see what colors we've got in here. Get this out of here, goodness. Oh my god. It's extremely pink. Extremely pink. Probably gonna give this to my mother. She enjoys a good pink lipstick. It smells yummy. But yeah, pink. Okay, okay. The liner doesn't look like that pink though. The liner's more like of an orangish tone, so I could maybe use that. It's kind of weird they're together though. They might look a little odd. But, right, there's that. Eyeliner pen, brown. Ew. I don't know who be using eyeliner pens brown. Not me. Obviously, I like to go for the dramatic eye makeup. So that'll be black or colored, not brown. Everything in this box is gonna be going to my family, apparently. What if it's liquid? Because I mean, maybe I could use that. It's not liquid though. Oh yeah, it's liquid. I mean, it's fine. If you're into brown liner, it'd be great. But I'm not into brown liner. So that's another thing. A brow gel, Saint Lux brow gel. Never used a brow gel before. Would it be the first time using one? Oh, it's clear. Okay, that makes sense. I was like, I never told them what color of stuff I would want, so. A brow gel. So cute. Little baby. I think people use that for like when they're doing fluffy brows, which clearly not what I'm doing. But maybe, so my sister probably might use this actually. She's more into the natural look. Oh, cute. Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute peel for your body. Oh. Alright. Oh, just says it's good for eczema, which I do have eczema. So, that's so cute. I like the packaging. I love me some chemistry. 2 more items in here. For another chemistry thing, Environmental Rescue Facial Oil. It's so hard to read, it's clear. Use nightly after environmental rescue daily serum for best results. It's like, well, what is this for? I don't know what facial oil means. Watch this bottle be like $50. Last item. Keep it handy. Chamomile hand cream. I do be needing hand cream though because I get very bad dry skin all the time. I want to smell it. Let me smell it. Overall, not a fan of this box. I really need to find a makeup box that has like really bold makeup, like targeted toward like my kind of look. So many makeup boxes are just like for everyday, like normal makeup. It's like, that's not me. It's not my journey. I hate it, like on their website, like they will advertise like really good stuff, so you're like, oh, I want to get that. Like they have a whole ass eyeshadow palette in there. But of course, we don't be getting the eyeshadow palette. We be getting hand cream. The way I signed up for this, like wouldn't normally go for this. It doesn't even like appeal to me per se. But it advertised if you bought one, you get one free. So that seemed like a good deal to me. And like these are good gifts for family and stuff if people like stuff. So it was an okay deal. $30 for like 10 full-size items overall then. That's pretty good. Hacker voice, I'm in. Okay. It smells like nothing. I don't know. Feels pretty good. Alright, let's see what the prices are for everything. This brow gel is $16. Okay. The eyeliner pen, $21. Okay. This lip kit, $25. Okay, okay. The hand cream, $20. Okay. Okay, these two things came together apparently. The rescue oil and the body peel, $19. Everything was like a good price. Like nothing was like insane, like no way. And then it does the math for me, which is nice. $101 for everything, and like I paid $30, so $70 value of getting random items. Is it worth it though? Thanks guys so much for watching. I'm hoping to start posting more on YouTube lately. Games just haven't been my jam lately, so I was thinking more makeup stuff. We'll see. Thank you guys so much. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.